Lavazza Tiny, amado mio, which was advertised by Which magazine as being quiet, and it's anything but. That is just horrendous. That noise. I don't know if it's broken or what's going on, but that is too noisy. This is brand new, got it yesterday. It's not a quiet machine. I put it on cork earlier to try and dampen down the sound. Didn't make much difference. So I'm assuming there must be something wrong with this particular machine. The noise is coming out of here. But that is unacceptable. I mean, I'm going to wake the whole house up to try and put that in the morning. I thought it was, when I first used it, to clean the machine to prime it. I thought it was because of that, but no, it makes that every time it makes a coffee. It makes this noise, which, as I said, is unacceptable, really. It takes longer to make a coffee than advertised as well. I think it's at 120, it's like 140.